Okay, we're going to light this off. We're going to do a clutch test, a brake test, load test, and a carburation test. All without riding the bike. Can you do all that?
Yeah, I hope so.
Probably not. I'll have to do it.
Yeah, you want to do it?
I don't want to.
I don't want to fuck it up.
I would never do that. I just break it. What?
Look.
Well, turn the damn thing off. Why do you just let it run for?
Because I just noticed it.
You're a moron. You're past dumbass. Hey, dumbass.
I was going to grab this one over here.
Whatever. Wipe it up.
It's
So at some point you got to pull that float bolt off the carburetor and clean the crap out of the inside of the carburetor. Only if you want to.
Yeah.
Your fuel mileage might suffer if you don't. But you do get to clean the rack up, that's good. That's a plus. And the motor. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. A good job.
All right.
He does a good job.
Do it.
Do what?
Make it work.
Start it. Adjust the carburetor once you get it running. Choke. Ignition's off.
On.
Off.
Off.
Give it 2 or 3 quick kicks for choke. That should be good. Turn the ignition on. Give it a little bit of gas and kick it. Lean. Let's put my hand over a little bit.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the hesitation.
Yeah.
So it's either low speed yet or the clip. Here, I'm gonna do a needle adjustment. So this was already pretty rich. We got one more spot to go up. So we're gonna raise this needle up 1 notch, which drop to the clip, raises the needle, fattens it up in the mid-range. Ah. Sounds different with the long ass pipe on there.
Sounds way fucking better.
I figured you didn't like that at all, that quiet ass exhaust system.
Quiet?
Yeah. Get out of there. Get in my nail. These normally just fall out.
Sitting for about 1.5 years.
It's got gasoline all over it. How's that for a carburetor adjustment? No tools needed? That's how they used to make them in the 60s and 70s.
Yeah.
Then modern ass carburetors. Alright, we're stuck. We're stuck! Needle's not in all the way.
Is that an inline?
Probably not.
Because it normally goes down. There you go.
You don't want it to be at half throttle?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay. I knew there was something wrong.
Did you though? Did you though?
I didn't, I just said that. Okay, crank it.
Whoop, probably should put on. Probably should have given it some gas.
I'm saying I didn't have a problem, there's no gas in it. Finally. Think you're ever gonna run out of gas?
Well, at least I know how much I got if I cut it out.
So the front fork is falling off the bike already.
Yep, we did not fucking.
Okay, the low speed jet I think is one jet size lean.
Okay.
And then the rear brake sucks. You hear I drive right through the brake?
Yeah.
And you notice it's got really good low end torque because I'm able to stand on the brake and give it a little get throttle. Oh, and the clutch was working too, if you notice. And it was loading the motor down pretty good. I had my foot all the way on the rear brake hard, and I just lay into it and then just roll the throttle on, and it just comes up on the cam, whoop, and just takes off.
So this is good.
It goes right through the cams, but it's got good torque downstairs too.
So this is gonna be fun.
So it's carbureting really strong in that mid-range where I fattened it up.
Yeah, you did.
But I think the low speed jet is one size lean. Main jet, who knows, probably good. I laid in it pretty good. I don't know if the clutch is going to slip going down the road, but it is releasing.
That's good.
Probably should put a little free play back into it to make sure it doesn't slip going down the road. So I should have a little bit of heat in the motor now.
Yeah.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's warm.
There you go. All right, so this is how you break your motor, nice and smooth and easy. Yeah, perfect.
I'm gonna put some Loctite on this and put this in here.
Maybe you tighten it up next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Did you tighten any of the other fork bolts up while you're at it?
I believe
It's only the front fork. I don't see a problem. You notice how
you to go through it.
You notice how the headlight wire did not fall off.
It didn't fall off, but it looks like shit.
That's custom. I wrapped it around the
I
headlight.
fucking hate it.
It's just as good as that doily you got to hang your cable on over there.
Yeah, this thing is custom.
Yeah, that's cool right there. Yeah, sure.
This thing is way.
Mine's bad. Yours is good. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, dude. I don't want fucking.
Hey, I saw how you fixed it. I just did the quarterly.
Whatever, dude.
Yeah, whatever.
All right. Cool.
Okay, you either load up, get the thing out of here, or you leave your firstborn. I don't want your born.
I don't have any.
Bring your dead dog, and then
Jesus.
then
I have
you'll
the ashes at home.
get this thing out of here.
All right. I'll.
Or are you gonna come back in a week or three and
No, I'll
bother
come
me?
back. I'll come back. Probably at the end of the weekend, Sunday.
All
Are
right.
you working Sunday?
Oh shit. When do I not work? Come on.
All right.
What kind of a
Sunday
stupid
and we
question
can
was
check
that?
it out.
What kind of a stupid question was that?
All right.
Turn the ignition on before you kill it. Let's see if the headlight works though. Oh, geez, that's bright. Yeah. See the headlight. The Walker fix still works on the headlight. I don't see a problem with those wires. It's perfect.
Well, no, we're not. We're fixing this before it
Okay.
comes down.
Well, if you want to take it with you, you can take it out of here right now. But just gotta be careful riding around side streets. I wouldn't go on the freeway with it, but
I'm not going to.
okay, good.
All right. I'm gonna tighten this thing down.
You have any registration anyway, so
No, but I got insurance, so that works.
that's all that matters.
Yeah.
At least it's insured when it's on the flatbed truck being hauled the impound.
Yeah.
That's all
They
that
won't.
matters.
They won't do it to me. I'm a fucking disabled veteran.
Yeah, right.
I'm 80% disabled.
Yeah, it's all in your head though. That doesn't
I
count.
know. Yes. That's why it's 80%. All right.
So you tighten up the handlebars, pinch bolts, all that shit.
I'm gonna do the handlebars now.
How about the front axle? Did you tighten that?
Let's have a look.
Oh, jeez.
Why don't we just go through it all?
Because you gotta get out of here. I got work to do. Remember those cylinders you drugged me off earlier?
Yeah.
He's waiting.
Uh,
Look at those
sorry.
dirty looks he's giving you. Nasty, dirty looks.
I can't.
I think there's a club on you. Hit him in the head. It'd be fine. Yeah, it'd be fine.
Hey, can you give me the? All right.
I'm not giving you nothing. I'm giving you a hard time.
Yeah.
Do you want more than that? How's the brake drag?
Brake drag?
Yeah, turn the rear wheel.
Huh?
Turn the rear wheel. Okay, how's the pedal feel? How much did it drop?
No. Drop.
It didn't drop?
No.
Same adjustment?
Yeah.
Your brake just doesn't work for shit then.
No.
Okay, good. Well, you only got one brake, so you're okay.
Yeah.
Now the bike's gonna fall over. Look at that. Are you gonna take it off?
Because I can't get to this bolt.
Oh, is that what you're doing? Here, hold on.
Yeah, a little help would be nice instead of just standing there.
I'm gonna watch you drop it. Kickstands down?
Yep.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, now you can test your throttle cable. Okay, it works. Lean's over good. You got the right stance for lean over. It's not like those new guys in the Donna guys where they lean over about 5 feet sideways. Stupid.
Stupid.
Yeah, just like their handlebars.
My handlebars are awesome.
You gotta do something about those exhaust pipes, though. They're just, I don't know. Nice kicker pedal, though. What, are you gonna check that to make sure it's tight?
I'm checking everything, man.
Oh, gee, now you're gonna check it. Gee, you're supposed to check it a long time ago. How long's it been here?
Year and a half.
Year and a half? And you just now decided to check the, he's all over it. Yeah, good job. all over it. All right, we had this fun picking on Walker today.
Yeah.
Well, not really, but audience might get bored.
Yep.
I got work to do. That's it for tonight.
Bye.